Hello, fellow aviators. I'd like to thank my viewers for their support over the last few months. I've noticed that there are quite a few viewers who are not subscribed and not getting notifications. If you like the channel, please subscribe and click that bell to be notified when the new videos are published.
Numbers are good. Okay, we're 300 feet up or so.
This flight was from mid-July and was just going to be a flight around the neighborhood featuring a flyby of the Clear Fork Reservoir. I had just installed a Hero 12 on my wing and wanted to see how the 4K resolution would work out.
Beautiful day out. Very grateful for that.
It takes just a few minutes to get to the reservoir from Mansfield. Here, I'm approaching from the northeast and will fly along the southern shore. As I turn towards the shoreline, we can see the earthen dam and spillway. Just past that is the Mansfield Sailing Club. There was no appreciable wind today, so no sailboats. The water was really clear, and you can see a lot of detail on the bottom of the lake.
It'll be interesting to see how this looks on the high-res video. Trying to get my framing correct.
The island under my cowling is where geese and other waterfowl gather. On the north shore, hunters will patiently wait for the perfect shot when they are in season. Back on the southern shore is the Clear Fork Marina. I haul my kayak out several times a year, and this is where I launch it.
Let's make a pass at the racing ground.
After some leisurely flying, I headed back to Mansfield.
Mansfield Tower, light sport. November 634 Hotel Bravo is 6 miles northwest of the field, looking for a full stop. Have information pop up.
Number 634 Hotel Bravo, Mansfield Tower, enter right downwind, runway 32.
Right downwind, 32, 634 Hotel Bravo.
A downwind for runway 32, just as expected.
For Hotel Bravo's aircraft type.
Aeroplat light sport.
When the tower asks for your aircraft type,
Number 4 Hotel Bravo, you be full stop to parking here.
Full stop to the T hangars, 634 Hotel Bravo.
and verifies your intentions, you know something is up.
Watch out for blowing over.
Unfortunately, I didn't follow my own advice.
Mansfield Tower at Archer 630 Hotel Charlie, long kind of right base for 32.
Number 630 Hotel Charlie, Mansfield Tower, make straight in runway 32. You're going to be number 2 of the field.
Straight in for 32, number 2, 630 Charlie.
Number 0 Hotel Charlie, will this be full stop?
Full stop for the FBO for a pit stop and fuel.
A little too close.
Leaving altitude.
Number 4 Hotel Bravo, keep your base in tight. You're inside Archer traffic, turning 5 mile final, runway 32, clear to land, wind 0506.
Clear to land, we'll keep it tight. 4 Hotel Bravo. At least I'll try.
Between being too close and with a noticeable crosswind, that was going to be difficult.
Number 0 Hotel Charlie, you're number 2, you're following a red light sport, turning right base, runway 32, clear to land, wind 0505.
I wasn't a second into the base turn when I realized I was way off track. At this point, I'm guessing the tower was really questioning what my intentions were. I would have called a go-around by this point at most airports. However, Mansfield's runway 32 is 150 feet wide and 9,000 feet long. I had plenty of time to correct. Notice that I kept my turn shallow and kept my speed up. No stalling for me, thank you. I had plenty of time to slow down. However, I did touch down about 8 knots too fast, and it shows. So while there was very little risk in continuing with this lousy final, I should have answered unable to the tower's request for a tight final, and just extended my downwind and let the Archer land first. That would have been the ideal approach. Always learning. Thanks for watching, and happy landings, at least happier than this one.